Hello and welcome to the course on React.Js, one of the most powerful and popular library used in the web development today. Let's begin with a simple question. What is React? React is a JavaScript library used for building user interfaces, especially for single-page applications where speed, interactivity, and responsive matter most. It was developed by Facebook and released in 2013. Today it's maintained by Facebook and the open source community. Now you might ask, why React? What makes it stand out? To answer that, let's compare traditional web development with building apps using React. In traditional JavaScript apps, you directly manipulate DOM, document object model. But as the application grows, the code becomes harder to manage and performance often takes a hit. React solves this with a component based architecture and the virtual DOM. What does that mean? With components, you can break your UI into small reusable pieces. Each one manages its own state and logic, just like Lego blocks that can be put together to build complex interfaces. React also uses a virtual DOM, which is a lightweight copy of a real DOM. Instead of updating the entire page, React compares the new and old virtual DOMs and only updates what's necessary in the real DOM. This makes updates fast, smooth, and efficient. Let's explore some of the key benefits of React. It's declarative. You describe what the UI should look like, and React takes care of the rest. It uses the one-way data flow, making your application more predictable and easier to debug. And it has a massive ecosystem, from tools like React Router and Redux to powerful hooks for managing state and effects. Now let's talk about who is using React. Some of the biggest companies in the world use it: Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, Airbnb, Uber, and many more. Whether you are building a small portfolio site or a full scale web app, React gives you the tools to scale easily and build fast. To summarize, React offers a modern, modular approach to building UIs. It's fast, flexible, and ideal for creating rich web experiences.